Cooking with chief. Small chief and big chief. So I am here with Nnanyereugo and Ezenwa Chief Babazwe Junior. We are preparing guinea. What is ore? Okay, cocoyam. Yeah, you see, normal diaspora people, they will use grind ore because we are lazy and time is money. But Chief bought the original one, cocoyam. So we will do the original recipe today. You show me how to do it.
Yes. Yeah, of course, we used to do it before, but you can't know.
Oh, you don't even remember that I have done it before. So it's like I messed up last time. You want to show me how to do it now? Okay. So what is the first step, Chief?
The first step is
okay. And you wash it too?
No, you must not.
Okay.
Because you just cook it. Just
okay.
Maybe which up here. Let's see.
Hi.
Palm fruit. Cook it together with the oil.
For bitter leaf?
Yeah, for bitter leaf, original.
Avec? I didn't know.
We're in Europe, we will use just red oil.
Okay.
In substitution of the
but you remove the aku afterwards also? Or
you remove the aku
just to get like oil?
Yeah, you remove the apple, then you have to pound it and then get the oil out of it.
Okay.
And use it for the
Wonderful.
Yeah, so we're substituting that apple with the...
Here we have cowtail, frozen one. Cow guinea. Rinse foods. Okay, leg. The leg, they sew it. Like one. And then, Ezenwa's favorite. The smell is too much. Ishiokporoko. Sweetie, I have a question. Why is people like Ishiokporoko more than the other thing, the other parts?
The other part is also good, but Ishiokporoko, it gets, you know, it gets, I mean...
But it's only bones.
It's not bones, so... I mean, it's bones, but the bones are very soft, you know, once it's well cooked, you know. So when you're eating it, I don't feel like it's a bone.
Nnanyereugo. You want to join us? Okay, Papa's making pressure pots. Okay, just like this. You have to go. That's how we do it. So Nnanyereugo has eaten dinner already, and we are here for round number 2. Chief, come for. Okay. Is it not hot? Okay, you remove the skin.
Yes, we just say
I can't see what you're doing now. You also have to see what we are doing. Okay. And here you're soaking the bitter leaf.
Yes, I mean it was
frozen. Okay. Say hi. Will you join us eat? A special soup for Ezenwa. For every Igbo person, Abi. If you go to wedding or burial or whatever, if they bring bitter leaf, you'll be happy.
Okay.
You'll be happy.
Prepare well before you make the soup. There's so much
Yes, steps.
steps.
So it's not a fast food.
Not like a soup.
Not be fast food. Abby? Hey, hapa go, Nnanyereugo. God. And after cooking, you gotta say ferry. It's part of the process. Eh? Are you sure? One. So that one is for me.
I'm going to say for our own flavor.
Okay. One. Let's wait for the next step.